Everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Traxxas Slash 4x4, and this one is a brushed motor, so it's not going to have quite as much power, but it's still brushless ready because the drivetrain is all metal. So some of the quick features is it's got the Titan setup, and XL5 ESC, those are usually pretty good. You got the typical 2.4 TQ remotes, so it doesn't have the Traxxas stability management, which is fine as well. And then got standard tires, and it also comes with a nickel metal hydride battery and a fast charger, so it unfortunately has to go in your car, but I did read on the website that it'll charge it in about 45 minutes if you're lucky. So I'm not sure if that's really accurate. Oh yeah, and this was also a floor model, so that's why some of the plastic is already off. So sorry with the glare. This has got a servo saver on here as well, and it's also pointing out that it's got the Revo spec differentials, full ball bearings, waterproof electronics, some extra support bars so you don't really mess up the body at all, waterproof receiver box, then it's got adjustable battery holder, which is really nice. And I got the orange, and here's the other side. Here's the back. It's pointing it, or it's showing what all came in here. So this is what's in the box. It's got Slash XL5, or with everything in there. The radio, battery with the ID, so you can use that. Sorry, there's my cat. There's fast charger, quick start guide, which you should always read, and then a good quality tool set, which is also really helpful. And then here it is right there along the side. And this is a skill level 1, since, well, this is kind of a basher. So let's open it up. As I said before, this is a floor model, so this is already open. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and tear off the plastic. So here's this panel. This was already open. Once again, it's orange. There we go. This side, no way that they took it out. Well, here's the remote. I'll take a closer look at that. No batteries or anything like that. This comes out. Here's the actual truck. It looks awesome. And since it was a floor model, they don't have a plastic over the body, which, you know, that's completely fine. And then back here, got the bag of goodies, basically. And the other part of it is just another foam insert to support the box. All right, so when I took out the car, this is the charging instructions for the battery, which I don't need because I've had, this will be my third Traxxas car and for hobby grade RC car that ever. So as usual, it requires 4 AA. Oops, wrong way. So it's not too expensive to get up and go, and it doesn't need to have the batteries replaced much at all. Alright, so here I'll show you the battery and everything, and then this is a warning to this is a LiPo setup, and here is the adjustable battery compartment. So here's 23, and then here's 25. So just take that out nice and simple, and then there is a cushion right there that you can take out. Here's the battery itself. I have a very worn, really well used, awesome Electron Pro 2-cell. That'll fit, I think, pretty well in this, because it fits really well, or it fits pretty snugly in the Ford GT that I have. Here, 25. Oh no, that's 23. Here's 25. So it fits pretty snugly in the Ford GT. All right, let's there. So here I have the Traxxas Easy Peak Plus charger, and I'm just going to take the battery I got with it, and plug it in that way. Alright, so in the bag, just cut this open really quick. Sorry, my brother is watching this. Alright, so in the bag you're going to get your standard, what are they called? Shock clips. Here's your charger. There you go. Oh yeah, and here's your battery. What is it? Battery mat, not mat. Spring thing. Here's some more. Those are always useful. Sorry I had to cut it there. But here's your toolkit. Those are always good to have. Here's your warranty card. So you can either submit this and, let's see, answer all these questions. They have it in 2 different languages. You can either turn this in or you can go online and fill it out. That's what I've done with my other ones. And then here is like your support book. It's got different languages of the procedure of doing everything. So it's on 1 page, but if you flip back a couple more pages, this is where you have your, like, where you can order all the parts and stuff like that from Traxxas. Well, it has all the model numbers and stuff like that. That's always good to have, and upgrades. And here is your exploded view, and this comes in really useful all the time. And then here's your wheel and tire chart, which I didn't know they had. Here's your everything else that you could want to power it up. Don't use nitro on this. Here's your order sheets. That's always good. Here's an advertisement for, let's see, where's the box? This and a lot of other things. You know, just all their batteries and stuff. And here is your quick start guide. Always read this before you go out, stuff like that. There's all your safety precautions. Here's how to turn it on. This is pointing out everything. So, alright, different languages, and that's about it.